Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So the last 2 weeks I was doing brush recommendations and I was watching a video by Robert Welsh. I've been binging his stuff recently, and he said something about people not showing their prep before they do their makeup. So I thought, let me do that because I'm always going on about how dry my skin is. So if you want to see how I prep my skin to put makeup on, then just continue watching. So disclaimer, I'm not telling anyone to do it like how I do it. I'm just showing you what works for me. That is all. So my skin is, just normal dry. I haven't washed my face or anything yet. So the first thing I'm going to do is, in fact, wash my face. Okay, so what I use for face wash, I use the Visibly Clear Spot Stress Control Daily Scrub by Neutrogena. It has those little beads in it that, give exfoliating properties to, to the wash. Because when I was looking up skincare, it's so confusing because they're like, get a cleanser, get an exfoliator, make sure you get a moisturizer, make sure you get sunscreen and a makeup remover. And it's just like, when you go to a shop, everything has different names. So I was looking at, I'll find a cleanser, but then I wouldn't find an exfoliator. So what I just did was get a cleanser that has exfoliating properties. Yeah. So that's what I did. So because my skin is so dry, especially this time of year, it's spring now, so it's still a bit muggy outside. I'm very cold. So my skin reacts to that. So when it's at its driest, my texture is really bad. And I found that over the winter holidays, like December, November, those times, my skin the texture was so bad I couldn't even hide it by makeup. So I was looking for a way to improve my skincare, and this is where we ended up. So what I do is apply it. But what I'll say as well is that for us dry skin people, because our skin is dry, we will have an element of texture to our skin regardless. That I'll show you a video that I did last week. I did a video on my Instagram story, and I'll admit I put a filter on it, and so I'll show you the unfiltered version and then I'll show you the filtered version, and you see it's like, you see the difference? So you can see a bit of my texture. It's a personal preference thing. I don't like when my skin looks too textured, because to be fair, I did put a lot of makeup on that day, so that didn't help. So yeah, so I'm just gonna wet my face and come back. How wet. So what I've added to my routine as well is this. It's a revolution. You have to get one. I got mine for $11.99. I was gonna get the Oreo one that's on Beauty Bay, but it's like £79 for a small one, and then the big one's £100-something, and no, I'm not paying that. But this is like a dupe of it, and I got it for $11.99, so I definitely would recommend. And you just pop a bit of water onto the device as well. And it's really helped with not only my texture but the feel of my skin. Like, my skin has never felt so soft, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. Okay, stop that. So that is what it looks like. Nice and gross for you guys. That's what it looks like after I've done that. So now I'm going to wash the device and my face, and I'm going to come right back. So sometimes after this, because especially as I've exfoliated, Sometimes I put on, it's open, my toner. Yeah, but it's a traditional skincare. Glycogen and rose water toning and moisturizing toner. So I just get a pad. I don't always do this before makeup. I usually do this in the process after I've removed makeup, but okay. And then I let that sit and seep into my skin for a little bit. After that, I get my moisturizer, which is also a part of the traditional skincare range. This from Boots, and it's the skin cream, and it's very thick. So you can see it. I'll take some out. It's very thick, and I just place it all over. And then what I do is I rub in one layer. I think that's actually enough today, but if my skin was feeling super dry, I would add another layer and let that sit and let it rub it in about half of the way, and then let the rest of it seep into my skin naturally. Oh, it's fine. And then after that, I would, prime and start my actual makeup. But I thought, let me show you guys this because it's just as important as the makeup application. And it helps so much with getting your skin and your foundation to look flawless. So that's what I do before I put on makeup. If you guys want me to show you how I take off my makeup as well, let me know down below. But that's the video for this week. Also, before I go, let me know if you want me to do an updated version of any of my basics with Toni that I did last year. Let me know down below, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Look at the glow. Bye.